Man says goodbye to his dog after 14 years of friendship. Not everyone understands the place a pet can occupy in the heart and life. They become part of our family, and of course, as with our loved ones, when something bad happens to them, we find no comfort. When we get sick, we do our best to get better quickly, and we can see the wagtail again or the little face of melancholy when we have to leave home. Unfortunately, they're not eternal, and that day comes when they complete their cycle and need to cross the rainbow. There are countless videos on the web that capture this heartbreaking moment. Many identify because they say goodbye to their pets. It's something they don't even want their worst enemy. Recently, however, some scenes have especially moved internet users. Perhaps because there's a background music that appropriates it. Or perhaps because it's a seemingly rude owner that, before the imminent departure of a dog for a lifetime, it was completely broken. There are images that show the most sensitive side of a man. Many touch the deepest fiber of a soul, as it's a dog that accompanied him for 14 long years of life, becoming another child. The scene takes place at the vet, where it's assumed that he'll receive the medicine that will make him sleep forever. The dog already has a syringe, so in a few minutes he'll be on the other side, but still will have its eyes open. Its owner finds no comfort and bends his head to join his furry one and merges into a deep embrace that he wishes would never end. The man breaks down and weeps inconsolably. One moment he tries to caress him, he looks him in the eye, he kisses him as if to keep him, but he knows that time is running out. The strong man will have to leave the dog with whom he's lived for 14 years. I hope there's no more pain in the sky, reads next to the video description that currently accumulates over 17 million views. The networks were quick to respond with emotional comments of empathy to the pain of the man who feels it as his own. God, I had to do this a few months ago. You may be the strongest person, but when it comes to your babies, you really break down quickly. I will never forget our last look at each other, wrote one person. It made me cry. It brought back memories of one of the hardest days of my life, said another. Don't leave without sharing these emotional scenes on your hammocks. Although it's painful to comfort us, to know that this beautiful furry has received all the love in the world until his last breath.